Okay, so itatakal naman natin ngayon is tungkol sa chain rule. So yung chain rule is yung formula ng chain rule gagamitin natin is dy over dx is equal to n times u x to the power of n minus 1 times u prime x. Okay. So yung chain rule is ito yung formula niya, and to properly tatry natin mag-solve ng mga given. So first is try natin i-derive itong d over dx of x squared plus 3 to the power of 5. So first let natin yung given. So yung n natin here is equals to 5, and yung atin namang u is equals to x squared plus 3. So substitution natin, n 5 times u, which is x squared plus 3 x squared plus 3 to the power of 5 minus 1, and times the derivative of u prime is equal to 2x. Okay, so 2x. Okay. To simplify, para makuha natin yung final answer is i-multiply na natin ito, 10x times x squared plus 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So here's our final answer. So ganun lang kadali gamitin yung chain rule. So for the sake of practice, let's try another problem. Let's try to solve another problem. Okay, again, let's try to solve the derivative of sine 4x. Notice na wala tayong exponent. So yung gagawin lang natin dyan is papanapin natin yung outer function at yung inner function. So yung ating outer function, f is equals to sine u, and yung inner natin is yung ating u, which is equal to 4x. Okay, now same formula. So yung derivative ng yan, here in derivative nito would equal to, derive na natin to, so cosine 4x times the derivative nito, which is 4. So our final answer is y prime is equals to 4 cos 4x. Okay, so ganun lang kadali gamitin yung chain rule.